friends, good evening. Hoping and expecting all are safe and fine. Today I am going to discuss about one topic which is specifically related to motivation, because many students message me, ma'am, that we are feeling demotivated. We are not able to concentrate on the studies. And some of my friends also messaged that I'm giving more attempts until I'm not able to clear. So what I have to do? Please help me. They are going in. Some people are telling they are in depression. They are not able to manage the studies and all, and this whatever the negative things are going outside. So due to that, lot of students are in different situations, and specifically who are given so many attempts I'm not able to clear. It is for them, it is a most problem, as whatever I'm receiving messages like such kind of a messages, I felt I had to make one video and tell my experience also, because I am also one of in that only. Before clearing the exams, we will feel the same, because all are human being, all are have hope, and all are will face the same way. So first of all, whoever feeling depressed or negative or something, we can't do anything, we are lost lot of things, we are losing time, we are not able to clear such kind of a things. So whoever feeling, they have to think first, be kind of yourself first, because don't feel I'm not able to do, or I don't have that capabilities to do that. It is everything on your mind, nothing on whatever you are thinking is waste. First make your mindset what is the correct, what is the not correct. Feeling depressed and wasting your time is not a solution for what is you have question. Depression, if you are feeling, or you are feeling negative, or you are feeling anxiety, some lot of problems, whatever you are feeling, you have to come out. That is the life. This CM is just exam, and clearing, not clearing, it is up to your capabilities. First of all, I will tell you are clear or not clear. Don't go depressed or negative, or don't take any kind of wrong steps. Just be calm. If you people are feeling okay, I can able to clear, and then you can keep the effort. Some kind of a depression, negativity will come. Lot of students who gave many attempts, because lot of students are intelligent, they know study things, they have the skills, they know how to solve it, but such kind of students are not able to clear the exams due to 1 or 2 marks, or some other silly mistakes, or some other things they are not able to clear. Such kind of students will go very in negative way, because they used to give 100% effort, no job, no work, nothing, and they will sit and study. So obviously they will feel the way what I faced. Same thing many students are facing, because I also stopped doing the job and I joined this CMA. I am not a science background, I am not a commerce background, I am a science background, and whenever I joined this, because I like to take risks, so that's what I joined this. I'm totally from software background and science, so I don't know what is the commerce. C also I don't know, but till I joined, and whenever I started the doing studies, I won't able to understand what is going on. Even I don't know, when I used to write journal entries, students used to tell, their friends used to tell, we should not write journal entries like this, we have to write in the column ways. Then only I get to know how to write, what to do. And I struggle a lot to clearing the exams, because I also given many attempts. In that I suffered a lot, because I don't know the base. If I am able to clear, so why should not you? You should give proper planning and proper effort, then only you can clear. Because there are many students who are intelligent, who have more knowledge, who are very good in skills, but they are not able to clear because they don't know how to present, they are not made to able to convince the examiner. Such kind of students are there. So first plan yourself. Whoever feeling depressed or given more attempts, time is going on, first you sit and decide, you want to give the exams or not, you want to clear or not, you want CME degree or not. First sit and decide. If yes, whatever the attempts you lost, think that is nothing, that is you have to delete from your mind. Other people will speak a lot of things, because they don't know what is the struggle going on with the professional students, so you no need to keep your ears to them. You just whatever attempts you have attempted, just remove from your part, just delete that from your mind, and think whatever you are giving attempt is the fresher one. And you are losing attempt, it doesn't mean you are a dump or something. You are intelligent only, and this is the time to check the patience, because professional courses will teach you the patience, and patience is the most important in these kind of a courses. So set plan first, remove whatever the attempts you have given, just delete it and start. You think this is my first attempt and I have to give 100%. Only 100% is not important. You have to analyze about yourself, what you are writing and why you are not getting the marks. Each and everything you have to analyze that. Until unless you should not analyze, you can't get your negativity, you can't able to find. So only hard work is not enough. Smart work, making analysis is the must, then only you can clear. Because more students I saw, they used to buy hat, like they will call mug up and write, and they don't know skills, so that's what they used to feel getting the jobs and all. So such things don't do. Try to understand the concept, try to do fresh. First thing, whatever you're studying, keep your mind fresh and decide yourself, you are going to clear this time and I will clear, definitely clear. If effort is not getting enough, keep 200% effort. Don't sleep, just sit and complete. It is your challenge for yourself, not for any other. So keep yourself challenge and try to make it okay. I will give you exam, I will write and I will clear. Because no one can help you in your way, your mindset and your decision. So you should be strong, you should decide you are the good, you are the best, and you are going to write the exam and you will clear. Just make mind yourself, because motivation won't come from any other outside, it will come from your side only. You should keep yourself in a good way. Until unless if you demotivate or negative, nothing will help, it will lose your time only. So you have to make yourself strong and you have to go ahead. There is no other option. So make yourself decide, you are going to clear. Sit properly, plan properly, give your smart and hard study, check the analysis, the question paper, answer paper, what you have to answer, what you are not able to convince the examiner, what they are asking, what I am giving, and is it I am writing correct, is it question paper I am solving properly, is it you are not losing any marks for anywhere. So just make the points, and based on that make your study. Simply like a dump, don't sit, don't do only studying, mugging, no, it won't work. Smart study and proper study, analysis is important. So keep yourself first analysis, remove your negativity, demotivation, anxiety. It won't work, because it will kill you, it won't give any benefit to you. So remove that. For removing that, what you can do, you just watch comedy movies. You cannot go out now, because whatever the outside going scam, you cannot go outside. So you can watch the comedy movies, you can see some good motivational videos, you can do some exercise. How it will help, when you will start exercise, your body, that blood circulation will activate, your mind will activate, and you will feel energetic, and that time you will be fresh. So some meditation, pranayama, yogasana, some exercise, some good diet, some good movies, some positivity, these things will give you very energy. So first make yourself positive and then only sit. If you are sitting in negative ways, you cannot give the proper efforts. Even simply sitting in front of book is different, and sitting with effort, that is a different. Sit with effort, whatever the August, September, October, November, 3 months only left. So sit with the efforts and give your best. Just decide yourself, I will clear in any cost. Plan first, you are going to clear. Simply two-minded, don't sit. Oh, I will clear or not, I will clear or not, these many attempts. If you doubt yourself, you can't. You will believe yourself, be kind yourself, trust yourself, and give your 100%. Or definitely you will clear. So unnecessary things, wasting or thinking and this, please don't take any tension, nothing will happen. If you are finally I will tell, if you are not clear, nothing will happen, no one's life will stop, it will go parallelly. So no need to think that much hard about yourself. So just be calm, cool, relax. If you are able to clear, clear it. If you are feeling not able to clear, you can leave and go other courses also. It is not CMA only complete means you will get very big job. It is not. I just joined this CMA, leaving the software jobs. I'm just joined this CMA because I like to take risk. my motivation I have to complete IAS, but due to some here there reasons, my my relatives or my parents are not allowed that time, so I joined software because science background this, they want to make medical this, but after that again I came and joined this because I like to do some business kind of a things, and for that I joined, and passionately I am doing, so it is getting good things. At this time also I'm getting, now last week I'm just whatever the things, I'm getting some good clients and all, some registrations, some kind of a trusts and all, I'm getting such kind of a form fillings and all, lot of things I'm getting this time. So whatever you used to connect with the people, whatever you used to get, and what is your mindset, it is up to you. So don't be demotivated or depressed or negative or anxiety. You just be calm, cool. If you are possible, give your 100%. If you are not possible, live and enjoy the thing. That's all. I am not going to tell, oh, you have to sit, if not means you have to take negativity, you have to don't. There are a lot of things to earn money, there are a lot of ways to make your life good and happy. So just relax, whatever happened, just remove that, and whatever is going on, just accept it and go ahead with the positive way. So I think this will helpful for whoever are negative and going down. This will helpful till if you have any doubt or queries, keep your message in comment box, so I'll try to reply it. There are many messages, many questions you have kept, so I will make next video with that. I will clarify your doubt. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.